It truly changed my life. And if ever you're going to try this one, I promise you, mababago talaga yung buhay mo. Hello everyone, Myra here and welcome to my channel. So I know we are in our usual setup, but for today's video, we're not gonna do any makeup tutorials or any skincare try-ons. But for today, I'm gonna share something that really changed my life in terms of organizing and cleaning up and tidying up our space. Nung na-discover ko itong method ito, it truly changed my life. And if ever you're going to try this one, I promise you, mababago talaga yung buhay mo. Hindi ka na babalik dun sa dati mong ginagawa, pero mas magiging better person ka na in terms of organizing and cleaning up your space. I'm simply talking about KONMARI method of tidying up. So, na-discover ko itong method ito about 2 years ago. And it really changed my perspective on the things that I own and the things that I bring in my home and the things that I choose to keep inside my home. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, I'm gonna give you a quick summary of what the KONMARI method is all about. So, first off, the KONMARI method is based on the book by Marie Kondo, which is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. And there, nagbigay siya ng different way and perspective on decluttering and organizing our space. One of the unique approaches in this method is instead of tackling area by area, she proposed tackling by categories. So in each category, there are 3 things that you need to do. First off, you need to gather everything in that specific category. Second, you need to sort them out into things that really spark joy into your life. If not, maybe you should think of letting them go and giving them away. And then third, that's the only time that we are going to organize. I want to give an emphasis on the sorting part because I think her way of sorting things really makes a big difference on how you're going to declutter your space. Kasi in-emphasize niya talaga na kailangan yung mga things na may iwan sa space mo ay yung mga bagay that would really spark joy. So what she tells us to do is hawakan mo daw yung bagay na yon and then tanungin mo yung sarili mo, ito bang bagay na to still sparks joy into my life? If not, then maybe it's time to let it go. So now I'm gonna give you a rundown on the 5 categories in the KONMARI method. So I have my notes here. So the first category is clothing, which includes your tops, your bottoms, your dresses, your jackets, your handbags, belts and scarves. Shoes would be in this category. Hats and gloves. So basically the things that you wear, kasama siya dito. Under this category, we also have jewelry and athletic clothes. So the second category, books. So the different books, whether they are fictional or non-fictional. It also includes magazines, textbooks, phone books, kids books, or general book. The third category is papers. So you have here all your documents, important documents, greeting cards, wrapping papers, checkbooks, lecture notes or handouts, business cards, recipes that are in loose paper form. The fourth category is called the komono, or our miscellaneous items. Here we have our gadgets, video games, so the general things that we have. Next, we have kids' toys. We also have office supplies. Another subcategory are cleaning supplies. It's all the utensils and pans, knives, and also the food that are in your kitchen, everything in your garage, the things that you use in your bathroom. And then lastly, we have sentimental items. So this is the 5th category. So Marie Kondo suggests sorting out and tackling your sentimental items last, because these are the items that are hard to sort out and hard to let go. So there's a quick summary of the KONMARI method. So over the next videos, I will be showing you how we go through each category in our home. Ipapakita ko sa inyo how we go about it, how we sort out and everything. So have you ever heard of this method? If you have, please let me know down in the comment section. So that is it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. You can also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!
Yeah.